Now, in addition to land, in addition to power problem, the power issues, in addition to the clearances, even we are also giving certain incentives like power incentive, even the stamp duty exemptions, even the taxes like VAT or the sales tax or commercial, what was there, to certain extent, even exempting up to 50%, even 70% for a period of 5 years to 7 years. There are many such schemes, incentives are there, which has already been cleared. You can find in our website. When we are providing so many things, now I don't think nobody will hesitate to come to our state or even AP. Now we are all brothers. We are all brothers. Both Telangana and AP, both the states should prosper industrially. Ultimately, industrial growth is there. Then the employment, you know, the kind of unemployment situation, the agony of the educated youth. So definitely that atmosphere should come. We feel when we are already seeing in the global scenario, most of the smallest countries which got independence much later than India. Certain countries like Japan, some other countries which were totally devastated in the Second World War. When such countries could dictate the world with their industrial products and electronic goods, why not we? Even the recent China growth. So what is lacking? When the government is extending all the support, we have the human skills, the best human skills. Most of the Fortune 500 companies of the world, majority of them are led by our Indians and also from our both the states. So we have the human resource, like IIT is there, business schools are there, many of the engineering colleges. So we got the talents. And now the banks also coming forward, the Reserve Bank policy also is very much congenial. And even the FDIs are being allowed. So nothing is short. The only what the industry needs is the kind of infrastructure, kind of the skills, basically. The sophistication in manufacturing any industrial produce, which should be competitive in the world, which is possible again only with the industrial atmosphere within the industry, because of the relations between the employees and the promoters. Unless we maintain like a family culture, unless we motivate them, then only definitely we can achieve the goals. It is also when government is providing all the facilities, incentives and all that, ultimately to solve the unemployment problem and also to enrich the state, ultimately so as to implement the aspirations of the people, long cherished aspirations, even the common facilities, common necessities which they could not enjoy for the last 60 years, even the drinking water. Forget about the employment, even the drinking water. Now, I think all of you are observing our water grid. Even for industry needs water. With our water grid, which is the best of its kind in the country, even our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has appreciated with our state governor also. They are taking Telangana as the model, both in implementing the welfare schemes and also the water grid. So many other activities, both the welfare sector and also the industrial sector. When this is the atmosphere, definitely everybody should utilize the opportunities.